Welcome to Spread Hunter Daily Safari for Monday, April 9th. More swings of 2%. It sounds like a rock song from the 70s. It's really more than you can process for anybody who's lived through the past 2 years. We closed Friday at 260 in the SPY or in the SPX. Having traded down to 258, that was a huge down day. I think the SPY was down over 7 points at one point. We rallied back to 260 to close the day with a 500-point down day in the Dow and a 50-handle loser in the SPX. Today, we segued to today, Monday, where we opened up higher, went up another 3 points, where we were trading less than a point and a half from the high of last Friday, if you can believe that. We proceeded to sell all the way back down, almost to unchanged for the day. Options and spreads from the opening today, from Friday's close, doubled, tripled, quadrupled. I know one spread in particular, the 67.69 vertical, was closed at 11 cents last night. It had traded down from about 20 cents on Friday, and it opened up today at 20 cents and proceeded to go up to over 40 cents. In fact, I saw it trade at 44 cents. You can see where it closed. The stuff is moving around. I did not track the individual options, but you can extrapolate from this price here, 18 cents. It would have traded at least to 56, if not to this price, or somewhere in between the 56 and the 87. That's just what's happening here. I don't have to tell you that the same thing is going on the put side. If you're short the puts and you buy them back, and you go long them. There were people who were looking to get long puts late in the day today or possibly tomorrow before the market just gave up all of its gains and sold off back to where this 67.69 spread is trading almost back where it closed the night before. So these are astronomical moves. The opportunity is unparalleled. I feel like this is a broken record. I just keep saying the same thing over and over again. The people who are trading in Spread Hunter are taking full advantage of the layout of the spreads. You can see what you're going to risk. You can see what the spread will look like if it goes up $1, if it goes up $2, if it goes up $3. It's all laid out there in front of you, and all you have to do is select the spread that you want to do, click the button, and it goes in as a pre-loaded order, and you select your quantity and your price, whether you want to buy it at 13 or you want to buy it at 11 or 12, and you send the order in. That's how easy it is, and that's what people are doing with Spread Hunter. So I think that this is going to continue. So all I can say is happy hunting. Good night.